Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top mechanics tool sets you need in your garage. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, having the right tools is essential for any job. We've handpicked the best options that offer durability, versatility, and value for your money, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. DEWALT 168-piece Mechanics Tools Kit and Socket Set. The DEWALT 142-piece Mechanics Tool Kit is a premium set designed to support a wide range of projects, from everyday household repairs to more complex troubleshooting tasks. This comprehensive toolkit includes 2 specialized ratchets that accommodate both 1/4 and 3/8 jobs effortlessly. The kit features a variety of sockets available in both metric, and standard, SAE, sizes, making it versatile enough to fit numerous screws and bolts. Additionally, it includes extensions, universal joints, and adapters, offering greater reach and flexibility for tackling even the most challenging tasks. With the DEWALT 142-piece Mechanics Tool Kit, you can work efficiently, accurately, and with confidence. It also comes with 10 combination wrenches in assorted sizes, making them suitable for a wide array of jobs. The kit is further enhanced with 28 hex keys and 22 screwdriver bits, all crafted from the toughest materials to withstand even the most demanding jobs. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this toolkit is built to last, ensuring reliable performance for years to come. Pros: comprehensive tool collection, high-quality construction, lifetime warranty ensures peace of mind, suitable for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Cons: the storage case can be bulky for some users. Number 2. Amazon Basics 201-piece Mechanic Tool Set. Amazon Basics is steadily becoming a preferred brand for many users, offering excellent alternatives across various product categories, including mechanical tool sets. The Amazon Basics Mechanic Tool Kit is an outstanding choice for those seeking affordability without compromising on functionality. Our second pick for the best mechanics tool set is the Amazon Basics Mechanic Tool Kit. Despite being one of the most budget-friendly options, it includes an impressive total of 201 tools, allowing you to tackle most jobs without the need for additional tools or sets. The kit features a comprehensive range of sockets, wrenches, and hex keys, with both SAE and metric-sized sockets included. Each tool and attachment in the Amazon Basics Mechanic Tool Kit is constructed from chrome vanadium steel, ensuring it can withstand high torque and deliver rugged durability. The tools are also fully polished with a chrome finish, providing enhanced anti-corrosion protection. Although the 1-year warranty offered by Amazon Basics might seem short for a set of heavy-duty tools, it still offers some peace of mind. Best features: 3 ratchets are included, features a total of 201 tools, largest ratchet is a 1/2-inch unit, heavy-duty carrying case. Number 3. DEWALT DWMT 81534 205-piece Mechanics Tool Set. If you've ever purchased power tools or manual tools, you're likely familiar with the brand DEWALT, a globally recognized name known for its high-quality tools and accessories. DEWALT also offers an excellent set of mechanics tools that stand out in terms of both affordability and versatility. Topping our list as the best option, the DEWALT Mechanics Tool Set offers an impressive balance between cost and functionality. This set includes 205 different pieces, making it a comprehensive toolkit for a wide range of tasks. It also features 3 different drive sizes, 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2, to handle various jobs with ease. The DEWALT Mechanics Tool Set is equipped with 72 tooth ratchets, providing a 5-degree arc swing for enhanced maneuverability in tight spaces. The tools are designed with anti-slip handles, ensuring a secure and comfortable grip during use. Additionally, the set comes in a compact carrying case with a handle, making it highly portable and easy to store. Pros: great tool set for the price, great quality, and brand reliability. 3 ratchets are included, features a total of 205 tools. Cons: not suitable for small applications. Number 4. Crescent 170-piece Mechanics Tool Set. Enhancements and refinements to this bestseller add even more value for both professional and amateur mechanics. The Crescent 170-piece tool set has been upgraded with a more durable case, stronger construction, and an improved screwdriver set, making it better than ever. This set includes everything you need to handle a wide range of basic to moderately challenging automotive repair tasks. The Crescent 170-piece tool set is not only affordable but also compact, making it both accessible and highly portable. It comes with a comprehensive socket set featuring 3 drivers, as well as a complete screwdriver set, hex key set, and more. No wonder it's an Amazon's choice for tool kits. Positive reviews from owners further emphasize that this is an excellent starter kit, with the deep pockets in the storage case helping to keep all tools, bits, and sockets securely in place. However, it's a good idea to inspect the package upon arrival, as some users have reported issues with missing or rusty tools right out of the box. Pros: highly affordable, very portable and lightweight, comprehensive selection of tools. Cons: some owners have complained of quality control issues. Number 5. Craftsman 262-piece mechanic tool set. This Craftsman tool set is a solid modern successor to the classic all-purpose Sears sets that once served as the go-to choice for garage mechanics. In recent years, the quality of Craftsman tools has seen a significant resurgence, and this set offers a lot of value for the price. The case itself demonstrates some thoughtful design. While you may not need every tool in the set, it's certainly beneficial to have them on hand. For convenience, you might consider selecting your most used tools and storing them in a tool roll or smaller box, as the full set can be a bit heavy to lug around. However, the sturdy storage case and comprehensive tool selection make it an ideal primary toolkit for on-the-road use and an excellent foundation for any tool collection. One minor drawback is the difficulty in accessing the inner third of the drawers without fully removing them, though they do serve well as tool trays when taken out. Additionally, the internal design of the ratchets could use some refinement, but this is a minor issue considering the level of use these tools typically see.